All right, Monday morning, and we are in Seattle. We're working at an apartment complex called Lock Vista. We've been here many times, washing windows, cleaning gutters, and doing commercial services. Today, we're going to do some awning cleaning. And let's see here, spin around. There are 7 awnings. Some, they're varying in size, but that's one of them. I'll be cleaning the exterior of them and making them look real nice. I'll get turned around and get some more video in just a second. But awning cleaning, and everybody else will be doing some window cleaning today, and we'll be using water-fed poles on that. All right, the first step on these is I'm gonna wet this front side of this awning, and then I'm gonna get the sides. And I start down at the bottom, and I'm gonna work toward the top. So if the awning cleaning solution runs through, if we started at the top, sometimes it creates what we call legs, and legs is when the concentration of the chemical is different starting at the top than when it gets to the bottom. And so we always start at the bottom of an awning and work toward the top and let it dwell, and then I'll come back and I'll use a scrub brush and a white Brillo pad to clean the dirt off of the awning, and then I'll rinse it at the end. All right, I started down here at the bottom, and I'm just applying chemical along this whole thing. And it's got, you can see these black legs right here. All that's gonna come off. Green here on the edges. Green here, legs. We just want to get chemical on all of it, so it'll dwell for a few seconds, or a few minutes actually, and then I'll hit it with a brush, and I'll agitate it and get that stuff cleaned up, and then when we're all done, we rinse it down, and it's good to go. Dries nice and clean. All right, I've got this area all scrubbed down. You can see that I've hit it with my red brush here, and getting it clean. It'll be ready for rinse in just a few seconds. Awning number 1 is complete. Took about 90 minutes for this one. Had to wash everything basically twice to be able to get some of those heavy stains off near the underside ribbing, but looks like they came pretty darn clean. Love to see that. So we're gonna go do a couple more, and we'll go from there. So looking good.